How to hide reposts on TikTok. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide reposts on TikTok. So if you've shared something by mistake or don't want others to see your reposts, follow along step by step, and I'll show you how to fix it. All right, let's dive in. Open your TikTok app on your phone. First, you need to, now that TikTok doesn't offer a direct hide repost button, but there are a couple of ways to control who can see them on your profile. Now find the video you've reposted that you want to hide. Tap on the share arrow icon on the right side of the video. From the menu that appears, tap Remove Repost. Once you do that, your repost will be completely removed. No one will be able to see it anymore. Now, if you don't want to delete your reposts but still want to control who can see them, here's what you can do. Go to your profile, then tap the three lines in the top right corner. Next, open Settings and Privacy, then tap Privacy. Here you can make your account private. When your TikTok account is private, only the people you approve as followers will be able to see your reposts. Everyone else won't have access to them, and that's it. While TikTok doesn't have an official hide repost button, removing the repost or making your account private are the best ways to keep your reposts hidden from others. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick TikTok tips and tricks.